boy Big Brother Bruce, and we back here at WMAS with some more fucking reviews. I'm gonna review some of the shit I got for Christmas. We're gonna review this Goodyear roadside assistant 2-piece flashlight carabiner multi-tool knife. It says $16 on here. It was actually $6. Pretty dope, giant tiger. We're gonna be reviewing this tack light with the lantern inside, which I think is great for work. Has a magnet on the bottom. 180 degree, amazing, of light. 40 times brighter, high, medium, low speeds, all kinds of shit. We're gonna review that, and then the last but not least, my newest toy, Boxing Day gift, the M12 second generation Fuel Impact Driver 1/4-inch hex. Yeah, I was really glad I got this. This was a good sale. This was $150. This kit was $150. We'll talk about that when we get to that. So, with all that being said, let us start off with the Goodyear. I did a review before on a Goodyear multi-tool that they sold at Giant Tiger. It was for the price. It was wonderful. Again, for $6, not $16. I'm sure I'm going to get my money's worth. Good little roadside assistant flashlight kit. Oh, look at that. Nice little Goodyear bag to stuff your shit in. You know, it'd be like a weed sack and shit. But that's cool. Oh, it's a little light. It's a little light. But it's nice. Let's see. Let's see here. What kind of batteries does it take? Oh, it's going to take those little ones. Now, I got the batteries in, and it didn't take me 4 fucking times to do it. And we got some light. So, flick that light for me, cameraman. Bang. Okay, not bad. I mean, for little roadside assistance. Oh, I gotta find my ID. I dropped the fucking roach on the floor and smoking. Holy shit. You know, perfect. Perfect for that. That's not bad. Not bad at all. We'll put it in the sack that they provide for us. Oh. Then they give me this little thing. Now this, I basically just bought this fucking thing for this little tool, just because I think it's so cool. Has a little star head Phillips on it, little slotted screwdriver on it. It's got a carabiner side to it. I just don't know how to use it. Oh shit. Nice little pocket blade on it. It's a little sharp. Can opener. And like a, yeah, it's like a can opener basically. Where's the fucking carabiner clip? And it was supposed to be like a clip or something on it, but this is just a neat little cool thing. Just a nice little pocket fucking thing to have. It's nice. I'll keep something like this kicking around in my fucking truck for shits and giggles. That's a cool little thing. Now, we're gonna move on to this. So for $6, because the price came down, for $16, I'd have said you're crazy, eat a dick. But when I go there during Boxing Week and it's $6, 100% Giant Tiger, sold. Then we're gonna move on to this boy here, the Tack Light Pro flashlight and lantern in one. Wife bought me this for Christmas. I like Bell & Howell. This is a Bell & Howell product. They make good stuff. Fucking zoom function. You know, all kinds of shit that's supposed to be on this. The lantern in the middle. These don't come with batteries. That one time, the one video, those bitches were coming loaded. She's supposed to be 40 times brighter. Ooh, shit! Yo, it's like motherfucking daylight in here, nigga. Oh, zoom, look at that on the wall. That's nice. Oh yeah. Zoom function. Let's see here. Oh shit. Wasn't the lantern working, did it? Different functions, strobe light function, those for those who have seizures, there you go. SOS. Oh, there it is. There's my lantern function. So if you're, working on a furnace, need some light, you fucking... Oh, there it is. I knew it was magnetic too, yes. You know what I mean? Let me see. Yes, magnetic. That's nice, man. That go right on some duct work, do what you gotta fucking do. Definitely a nice fucking tool. I like that. You can stab somebody on top of the skull. Ow! Definitely tactical. Love this already. Already better than the original. I have the original tack light. Now I got the one with the lantern. That's nice. Thank you, wife. I love you, baby. Very much appreciated. Let us get to the glory. Let us get to the fucking glory, shall we? The glory hole. The M12. Second generation. Why not third gen? Because I'm not rich, bitch. I had third generation on the M18. I was lucky enough and blessed enough to have a mother that loved her son enough to buy it for his birthday. This one was on the wife. This is what real women does. Anyway, this is a fucking company kit. I was looking for the bare tool. If you can find the bare tool, it'll be cheaper. But you gotta imagine, live in Canada, so it's already expensive right there. Secondly, it's Milwaukee, and it's fuel brushless. It's expensive again. And third, it's the kit. So I have the hard case. This was the hard case. The drill, 2 batteries, and a charger for $150. That's not fucking bad. That's a hell of a deal. Okay? That's a hell of a deal. I charged the batteries already, put this tip on. Shouts out to Melco for making that reversible tip from 1/4 inch to 5/16 in a matter of a slide off in second. Back to your 1/4 inch. Beautiful. So what we're going to do is, I got a full battery in there. This allows you to do different speeds. You have a slow speed, medium speed, a high speed, and a self-tapper. So if you ever want a self-tapping screw, you send it to that section, it will fucking self-tap it. And we're going to test this drill. Like, this is such a fucking sexy, look how sexy this thing is. Just look at it. Just look at how sexy and compact, and like it has like the curvature on it, like the little lean. That shit is gorgeous, man. If I was a bitch, I'd come all inside it right now. Straight up. This is a beautiful fucking drill. It's light. And, it's light. This is important. Like, I do heating and cooling Monday to Friday. That being said, a sheet metal guy. When I'm hanging duct, I'm screwing into sheet metal, reframing people's basements and shit, because the carpenters didn't allow for my duct work. This lifted up and down a drill that weighs, 4 pounds, 3.5 pounds all day up above my head gets heavy with the M18. Beautiful drill, but it will fucking do some, you're on a ladder, up and down the ladder, sticking it on your pouch, it's work. This is nice and light, and I'm gonna get that power, I know. I thought I charged the battery, but I didn't. Got a bitch. I should want battery for this bitch. I want a full battery. There we go. So, let's start out with some ducks. Here we have a piece of 22 by 10. I believe that's 16 gauge. 16 gauge sheet metal. This would be like the type of shit you'd use for a drop, for return elbow, return drop. Some thick duct work. It's worked out, that's what makes it the impact. On low, I had to put a little bit of pressure on that bitch. Okay. That was a slow grind in. Oh, that's low. Let me try it on a medium speed. You can already hear the difference. Bang. That went in nice, solid, flush, beauty. Let's try that on that third option. These are roofing things. These are really good. They have a little rubber stop on them and shit, stop leaks. They use for roof, like metal roofs and stuff. But I like using these to hang tanklesses and melamine and shit like that. That's just gorgeous stuff. I can't wait to get on the job site with this fucking thing, man. Oh my god, it feels so good. So that's just chewing up the metal, like going through it like butter. That's perfect. That's what you want. That's what you want. Now, what about reframing? Let's see how that works. Got your standard stud 2x4. Wood screw. Number 2 Robbie. R1. Let's see how it drills through. 2x4 stud. Let's see the torque and see the power. See if it, what it does. Wow, I torqued out on 1. It wouldn't even put it through on 1. Okay, let's try it on 2. Let's try it on 2. Full battery. See if we do. This is on 2. That was the first setting. So I think if you're doing like light work and shit, like I don't know what, maybe drywall or something like that, you use the number 1 setting. But let's see what it's like on 2 when I gotta reframe or put this stud back. Still got a full battery on that bitch. She went in there, torqued all the way up. Yeah, I didn't have to press down or nothing. Let's try it on 3. Let's see. Woo! See the difference? That's incredible. And I still got a full fucking... That's incredible. 2. That's alright. Now 3. Wow! Just like that there. That's fucking gorgeous. That is fucking gorgeous. Ooh, that screw's hot. Gorgeous, baby. Gorgeous. That shit. This drill is just... This is amazing. I would... You know what? 150 and you get the fucking 2 batteries, charger, and hard case. It's worth it, man. If you can go get that deal right now at fucking Home Depot, Milwaukee made a badass drill when they made this drill. They made a beautiful fucking drill when they made this one. Sexy in my hand. Sexy. Just like that. You know what I'm saying? Sexy. Even for a quickie. A little quickie. You want a quickie? Just like that. That's how you make it look good. Milwaukee, you made a hell of a motherfucking tool. The M12. Ooh. And it's got that new smell to it. Brushless motor. It's light on my hand. Just like that. It's like coming at work. I suggested $150, 2 batteries, case, and battery charger. Sold. Big brother Bruce, WMAS. I'm out this bitch.